In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and download fonts on Behance. If you've ever scrolled through Behance admiring the incredible typography work and wanted to get your hands on some of those fonts, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore the steps to easily find and download these creative resources. Let's start with the first part of our journey, searching for downloadable fonts. Behance, being a vast platform featuring countless projects, might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Head over to Behance's homepage and you'll notice the search bar conveniently located at the top. This is a powerful tool for narrowing down exactly what you're looking for. Now, in this search bar, you'll want to use specific search terms to uncover font projects that are available for download. Try entering phrases like free font download, or simply download fonts. These keywords help filter your search results to show projects that likely include downloadable options. Remember, the magic of specific search terms is that they weed out unrelated projects and bring the hidden gems straight to you. As you embark on this search, you'll come across a variety of results. While browsing through these, pay special attention to the projects that catch your eye. Click on them to delve deeper into what each one offers. Often, designers on Behance are generous and willing to share their work, especially when it comes to fonts, as they're eager to see them used in various creative projects. It's always a good idea to read through the project descriptions and look for any download links or instructions they've provided. In many cases, designers will include a direct link to download the font in the project's description, making it incredibly easy for you to get started. Also, take note of any usage rights or limitations. Some fonts are free for personal use only, while others may have commercial licenses available. It's crucial to respect these terms to support the talented designers who create these resources. In summary, conducting a refined search using specific keywords is the key to uncovering fantastic downloadable fonts on Behance. So, go ahead, give it a try, and you might just find the perfect font for your next project. Happy font hunting! And remember, supporting the designers by giving them credit in your work can go a long way. That's it for today's video. See you next time with more creative tips and tricks.